He carry this woman go court. Then this woman tell am say, why he leave this house? This man, the one they totori the pikin. He still say the work is still stand. Kokoroko kakaraka. Now he make he carry pikin no run because he love the daughter. He not say because he dey marriage may spoil the pikin life.
To drink with Lady T.
Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Drinks with Lady T. It's your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time you just get post on YouTube or you dey watch you never subscribe, please consider to hit that red button and click on the notification bell so you will know anytime we put video. Yeah, thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. Thank you. So today's story we want to talk about one of our mommy. Our mommy now bring this story come. He said because it is see and say many people they really don't want to start from the scratch. To start from the scratch, if they do them somehow, so they continue to they take some kind things maybe say they're not supposed to take. They continue to bear some kind things maybe say they're not supposed to bear. At the end, the thing will still can lead them to starting from the scratch again. So this our mommy is saying her life story. She want bring home, make she can't tell Lady T fans. Come tell my people, all of us, say more we learn from our life story, more we hear from our life story. She don't already pass everything. She don't already conquer everything, but she just want to share the story to us. So we go first still pick one or two things and learn from it because she knows say one or two people when they watch this video, would they almost the same similar situation when she did at that time. So learn from this her story. To start from the scratch sometimes is a good thing, depends on your situation. This our mommy's story start like this. She said when she did before she enter Europe, she don already get one daughter. The daughter dey Africa. So she did Europe, then she come across one Oyibo man. They talk, then the man come and say he really love her, make she move from the country when she did, make come meet her for they different country, make come to your side, make they live together, one marry her. They come say okay, and she get one daughter already, but she like to born join pikin. She don't know say this Oyibo now. I don't know why use that word because of you understand. Now those people when be say the man when be say they like man, now this man be, but she don't know. So when she come they stay with this man, they dey together. Then one day he come say the man go dey do video jogodo with small children, boys, and these children they are from Japanese. He say go dey do am with them. He go dey tell her say this thing when you dey do so, e no good because she don already come before she even know say na that kind person na this man be, and she don already close her house, close everything, going back to the country where she did before. It can't be another problem for her because she don't close everything. She can't let say na waiting she go fit bear. That's why this our mommy, he bring her come. You know, I always dey talk and say if you want rubbish to stop, there is always an action for it. So my people, he say come notice and say na the thing that the man dey do. He go just waka leave am. He go do am with children for video. Jogodo, Chinese children of about 14, 15 years, 16 years, 17 years, 18 years. He said at a time, the man come lure and put inside. He go come dey join them. When she dey join them, that's why we not disclose this our mommy. He say come dey join them. When she dey join them, they do this thing. It can't be like say the spirits can't enter into her. Sometimes if she dey sleep, she go dey dream say all these Japanese children they come dey jogodo her for nights. So this woman come dey imagine, they say which kind thing be this? All this one na evil forces. For this her age, now she wan begin dey, and then she still young well. Now she wan begin dey do all these things. He say come stop am. You know, I dey always dey talk am say anybody wey be say e dey like to jogodo with video, e dey affect. If e no affect you now, e fit affect you in future, but you no go know, because you no fit imagine yourself don old still dey carry video say you wan jogodo for your old age. No. So he say he go dey see them for dream, dem go dey come. Now she come stop and say he no go follow this man do this thing again. He no come dey follow am dey do am. Then the man come, the oyibo man still dey. He come beg the oyibo man say he wan bring his daughter come from Africa. The oyibo man say no problem. The oyibo man assist am carry the daughter come. The daughter come. But she try to get belle. She no fit get belle. He say fit just before you know, say no know that the oyibo man dey take something sha, because the oyibo man no really dey after pikin. He just like to live a free life. When she don comot go work, oyibo go wear woman cloth. People go dey tell am say you no come see oyibo carry again. Na man na you dey carry, man wey dey wear woman cloth na you dey carry. One day he dey from work dey come, he open door, he meet the man, he wear oyekbe for kitchen, woman skirt wey be like oyekbe for kitchen, come wear small shirt wey dey on top, and so he dey do like this. I say wetin be this? She wan comot that time, but she dey fear how she wan take start from the scratch. Say if I come comot leave this man now, how I wan take start? You understand? Now wetin dey worry many people today. Finally the daughter come. Then when the daughter come, she come tell this, because the way he come take dey see the man, she no come trust the man again. So he come make the daughter understand say you get your room. If you dey sleep, make sure you lock your door. So she dey only, if you just enter room, you go lock door. If you enter room, you go lock door. If she enter room, na so she dey do. Na wetin she teach her daughter. And the daughter na pikin wey be say e dey understand the mother. He try not to break the home. She try not to hala the man use am, because na pikin wey dey train well wey be say e get sense, e understand mama feeling. If na so daughter, to just dey go dwandwa, to just dey jogodo that man, but this daughter no do am, because the daughter don still grow. So every time, if she and the daughter and this oyibo, they just dey sitting room, they watch television, and so the man go dey use am dey touch him walking stick. They use am dey rub walking stick for where small pikin dey. He say, come tell the pikin say make pikin comot for there. He go dey tell the man go say, na him get a house, so he go dey comfortable for a house. So she dey fear to start from the scratch, but she dey baba the pikin to make sure say the man e no try am, and the pikin sef she dey careful. But how long you will continue to dey bear all these things? How long you wey dey bear all these things dey think say if you comot, your life e don end? So she come dey reason now, and this time around she don put in for their document for that country, which is their passport. They never give her, and na through this oyibo then she wan take get her, how she wan take start from the scratch. He say, but she come dey try to be careful. She and her daughter, they communicate, they talk one on one. Anything wey dey happen, the daughter dey tell am. He come say they make her mind dey calm down. So one day, she and her daughter, they come travel go Nigeria. The oyibo no follow them. Na the oyibo say sponsor the trip and all that. When they dey Nigeria, oyibo no dey call her. Oyibo go dey send message to the daughter saying they miss her. When they want come back, they need to come back. The daughter will carry message, go show mama, say, see you. You can't imagine, say, me will be your wife. You not write me, say you dey miss me. Small pikin, then you dey write. What do you want try to do? He said the thing converse am, say, why this man want do like this? He said, come call him. He said, come tell the man, say, come, not try rubbish with my daughter. We dey Africa, me will be your wife. You not write me say you dey miss me. You not call me. But you go dey write to my daughter say you dey miss her. Why? If you try rubbish if he come back, he go deal with you. Not knowing that call wey he call this oyibo man, oyibo go okomu na we dey call am small local government house for your area. Na so e be. You can't go report say this woman dey lie for your head o. This woman no know say double report. Then after their trip, they come back. As they come back, they come say they stay together. That faithful day, she just dey her room, she just relax. Her daughter dey kitchen, dey wash plates. Then something come dey move her to go meet her daughter for where her daughter for the wash plates. He say because that their house na wood house, so any step you make, he go dey hear. Somebody must know say somebody dey come, because of all these people wey just stay wood house go know. No matter how you put your leg for ground, they must make noise. Don't know say somebody dey come. And this man, the way he take come, na so he take sneak come. She hear the sound say somebody dey sneak towards that kitchen side. So laziness don't make her get up. But later she go say, make she try her best, make she get up. And so she take try her best to. She come manage, come get up. Come see try to sneak, go to that kitchen side to know wetin wan happen. As she just dey go small, she just see this man. He just stand gbagada. Dey look him pikin dey wash plates. He walking stick, na so he stand kokoroko kakaraka. He stands like a mortar hand. And so he stands. He say go shock. He come dey tell the man say, now this small pikin when they wash plates, now your walking stick they stand for like this. He said the man dey look am. He say now he come say no. Enough is enough. This small pikin, she no go fit take all these things, because e get where e go fit bear am reach. Make this man no come use that arrow words on her one day. Make this man no come jump on her one day, because there is no time wey be say she dey come. If she dey comot with her daughter. If your daughter dey comot go school, na so she dey comot go work. Na the same time they take dey enter house. If she wan go supermarket, even though say the pikin don tire, e go dada the pikin follow body, because of say husband wey marry am put for house. If you dey go downstairs, na so the dada pikin follow body. If night reach, she go say, yeah, go your bed, lock your door. How long she go fit dey bear all these things? You come be like say person dey house, be like say person dey inside cage, no free. You go dey sleep for night. You go still go check whether the daughter lock door. The daughter lock door. Na so the man go dey mure like age baba, like all these baba share na when they roll. Na so you go dey waka up and down for inside house. They look whether you go see opportunity take jump on her. The man no even care whether the mama dey there. He no be say anyhow he take come. If na that arrow word, he go use am on her. But he no get that chance, because this woman and the daughter dey calculate. And this woman say if dey fear on how to start from the scratch. That was her fear, because she go lose documents, she go lose house, she go lose so many things. And again, she don't get rest of mind, because she dey protect her daughter. Pikin no see born join. The way e dey protect her. Wetin she want to? She come dey tight corner. Now this our mommy bring this one come say make I take encourage Lady T fans, all of us, more to encourage ourselves. For people wey dey this kind of situation right now, you won't fit be the other way around, but anyhow, you go pick something from inside. He said, now so, I say, look at that day when you see the way the walking stick stands. He said, no, I must have to do something. He said, now you go Okomu place. That same local government, now you come go tell them, say, see what your husband they do. He no fit stay with this man again. He won't come out, and he come talk to people. That's why I say sometimes a problem said is a problem half solved. If you hide your problem, the person could just die like fowl. But if you say your problem out, The person, before you say to 1 or 2 people, you must get solution. But only the thing be say they go laugh you, they fit laugh you. But person when they laugh, e better pass person when they cry for. Because if they laugh, you know, 2 months, the story don't come out, another story go cover around again. And so it be for this life. So if they laugh, you better pass. If supposing she keep it to herself, the bearer, that her daughter future, if for not dey okay again till now. If for not dey that trauma, if for the popo that girl. She said she can't go talk to people. And they come and say, you know, if you stay here, you need to move. If not to start from the scratch, you got to start from the scratch for you to save your life. Because you feel gonna get health issue because of say your mind not reach grants. And to save your lovely daughter too. He said, now so you can't come up for the house. He not care about the documents. He not care about say, I want to pay house rent, how I want to feed, how I want to do this. She not care again. Then what did she do? She called her daughter and say, my daughter, pray may God they give you understanding children. And sometimes it's good more they train our children, make that they understand our situation. Sometimes it go help us. You know, some people don't date into situation, they don't want to make their children know. They'll say because they don't want their children to feel bad. We know, but sometimes make them understand your situation. It will even make them pity for you more. It will even make them love you more. I'm telling you. Because we Africa, we don't like our children, they know our problem. We feel say it will hurt them. No, it know they hurt them. They make them they love us more and make them to bear with us more. Then she called this her daughter. He said, my daughter, there's nothing what you do for this house again. I know say you just come from Africa. You did enjoy ever since. But right now, we are going to start from the scratch again. Because of this situation of things. You know what the daughter tell her? The daughter say, she not the fear to start from the scratch. Because for Africa, they started from the scratch. So why, even if say she don't enjoy, and now they want to start from the scratch again, it say not be new thing to them, to her. Say, mommy, she's ready. Even if say inside hole, even if say inside people toilet, more go to sleep. Let's start from the scratch. The daughter understand. If not so, children will not understand. They will say, maybe I get beautiful room like this. Can they carry me up and down? You can't tell me say no. You go say no. You know even me, I go say go. I go stay. And so the daughter follow her. They started from the scratch. This man dragged them. He dragged she and her daughter. But money when he take carry the daughter come, he say make this woman come pay. Ticket money when he take bring daughter come, he say make this woman come pay. Wetin make this our mommy bring this topic come? Now that topic wey I do for that Papa Yoyo. You know say na topic they bring topic. And I know say this topic will still bring another topic come. Now that topic wey I do about that Papa Yoyo, when Papa Yoyo say make that girl come pay all the money we spent for her during their friendship. Now this our mommy see, now take bring this one come. Now so she and her daughter take leave this Oyibo man. They go rent one room. Start from scratch. So far. Shop amala and ewedu. No, not be amala and ewedu. Shop amala and akasa agidi. Then they come they chop. They don't care. They happy they get rest of mind. Oyibo say lele. Oyibo drag them. He drag them. All the money we spend. When you write money put for ground, you know how much thousands of euro. He carry this woman go court. Then this woman tell her say, why he leave this house? This man, they want the totori the pikin. He say the work is still stand. Kokoroko kakaraka. Now make he carry pikin no run because he love the daughter. He not say because say they marriage may spoil the pikin life. This man say na lie. Say na lie she dey talk. Say even the time when he accuse her wrongly, he report for that local government when they their area. The report when he report, they can't bring her come out. Now this our mommy say no say this man don't report her that time when he take call her. Now there she 14 no. Ever since he report her, he not talk. Now when they don't take court, then paper come say he report you so time when you accuse her wrongly. And so this our mommy say be like the way so called they look say, eh? So this man don dey plan all these things ever since. The man say may pay all the money, both the trip when he and the daughter take go Nigeria, tickets, everything. He say make he pay. The things wey he buy for them, he say make we pay. This one na Oyibo, not be say na black o. When we say maybe na we black, na we dey do like this. He say make he pay everything. Now how this our mommy say you pay? He say no pay o. Thank God, to God be the glory. She win the case. Because now time he take clean. Now time she take clean for this man. Now time she take deal with this man. All these years when she take deal with this man, you buy house for her. No. The car, he leave car for you. He leave everything for her. And started from the scratch. So what do you do? He take care of you. He cook for you. Wash your clothes, iron your clothes. Thank God she win that case. She not pay any money. But she and the daughter, they can start the chop amala and akasan. But thank God at the end, they are very, very okay now. They are living in their own house. Even the document when she dey fear say, as this wahala don come, she no go fit get the document again. They give her the pali. They give her daughter. They are very, very perfect. So now, so this is our mommy story to end. She say make I bring her come to encourage us. So my dear sister, my dear brother, what are you passing through right now that you think that starting from the scratch will be a problem to you? Sometimes starting from the scratch will help you more. Never be afraid to start from the scratch. When the tough is not going well, things are not going well for you, don't be afraid to start from the scratch. Many people don't dey inside one kind condition now wey be say they fear. Their life don't dey at stake. Their life don't dey shake. Even their children life, even some women men too, their life don't dey shake because of the benefits wey they get, because of one thing wey they get, that they fear to start from the scratch. But remember, when your heart not dey at rest, now there all those kind of bad sickness they come, where we say you go bring the person down. First of all, your happiness matters a lot. Thank you so much for watching this our little story for today. We are not here to say a story. We are here to say a story that will change life, that will touch life. Please, I beg you, if you watch this video, share this video. You are saving a soul. And I always pray for people that share my video that Almighty God will send someone to support you in anything that you do in your life. And again, that like button, please, is there. Press that like button when it go up. If you press it, it will automatically turn to blue, which means you don't like this video. And that finger when you say like this video, up ever for you, backwards never for you. Thank you so much. I remain your sister, your friend, your girl, your pikin. Anyone you call me, I did there for you. True Dreams, Bright Life with Lady T. See you on our next video. Thank you so much for watching, and ciao. Remember, every Sunday 7 o'clock, between 6:37, we are always on live for another important story. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Ciao. If there is
anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams.